everyone, it's Christine with Usborne Books More. In today's 1-minute book review, we are looking at Usborne's Lift the Flap Seasons and Weather. This is for ages 4 and up, and it's a great lift the flap book with more than 80 flaps to go through. The inside is very, very colorful for the young readers, and there are so many flaps that they can open. I'll just show you a few of them. And each one will reveal, obviously, some images, but also there's a search and find game on the bottom. So it'll ask you maybe to find a sleeping mouse or icicles. So under one of the flaps, you'll be able to discover the images that they're asking you to look for. Also in the back, there's a page on what's the weather like today. So it shows what your readers can choose to wear pending the weather outside. So this is just a really, really fun interactive book with so many flaps. Again, Usborne's Lift the Flap Seasons and Weather, and this is for ages 4 and up.